So to come into your headstand, I'd like to point out how to really create a safe foundation so that we don't have any problems with the neck. Most important thing is to bring your elbows right underneath your shoulders. And so you can measure that with your hands around the elbows. If your elbows are too wide, you're going to see how the shoulders collapse. So again, measuring elbows right underneath the shoulders. Very good. Then you're going to bring your hands forward and bring the little finger inside, so there's no rolling over the little finger. Also, do not place your head into your open palms, because this will create a lot of tension of your neck. So once you create a stable foundation, you can just place your head against your hands, root down into the elbows, and then slowly walk your legs in. And then when your hips are already almost above your shoulders, you're going to bring first one knee to your chest, which will really engage your core. And then you're going to bring your other knee to the chest. Feel your core active. And then slowly lift one leg up and then the other leg up. And so you come into your headstand. You should feel safe here. Really keep pressing down into the elbow and lengthening, shoulders away from the ears. And then breathe. And to come out of your headstand, just again gently bend the knees to your chest, slowly come all the way down, and then take a moment to rest in child's pose. And then really releasing your neck and breathing and taking your time. And when you're ready, you can very slowly come back up and continue your practice.